Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to be doing coding again. And so this time we're actually going to be showing you how it works. And so there's this picture screen and then the work screen. For the work screen you have a lot of choices, but today we have a few. So for the picture screen you can see that we're trying to get this pumpkin done. We have to move forward as many squares. So it would be 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 squares. And if we do that too many times, so this means that we can only use 5 blocks. So if we do it past, we could have to do this project again. So then we have to move forward. I found my mouse. So we have to move forward 4 times. Now it says 5, so let's do 5. And then we have to pick pumpkin because that's basically what we have to do. And then we probably have to do pick pumpkin 4 times because the picture graph says pick pumpkin 4 times. So that's what we have to do. To change this, make that a 4, and let's see how we do. Yay! We did it, guys! So that's basically how we're gonna do it. For next, I'm going to be doing step 1, step 2 basically. Okay guys, so that's basically coding, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video because it can be confusing. But if you know this, you can do it. Bye guys, make sure to subscribe.